I'm at Drives and Controls 2014 for the launch of the Altivar Process family of variable speed drives, and I'm with Nipun Sibal. Nipun, can you tell me what sort of trends are driving convergence in the process and manufacturing industries at the moment?
Hiya. There are primarily two trends we are experiencing from a customer point of view. The first one is the overall equipment efficiency, which is a very common metric in manufacturing, which is around the availability, performance, and quality of the manufacturing process. The second trend we are experiencing is around total cost of ownership, which is the complete life cycle cost of equipment, whether it could be a pump, fan, or a compressor. That includes the operation, the initial purchasing cost, and the maintenance cost.
Nipun, can you tell me what's meant by services-oriented drives?
Okay, the service-oriented drive is, I think the strap line here is, it's more than a drive. I think it's taken into granted you can control the traditional motor control functions by reducing the speed of the motor. But now, with the service-oriented drive, you have a lot of embedded features that optimize your production, your efficiency of your plant. And that's all built into the drive.
Got you. And can you tell me about the Altivar Process offering?
So, Altivar Process is a family name. Within this subfamily, you'll have different range of drives, different forms for IP21, IP55, low harmonics drive. It's available from 0.75 kilowatt to 1.5 megawatt.
And Nipun, can you tell us a little bit about the benefits to the customer of that family of drives?
Okay, the Altivar Process is being designed on 4 value propositions. These 4 value propositions are business optimization. Again, by business optimization, what I mean, there are features within the drive, such as there's a pump curve embedded. So, as a user, I can monitor my pump curve, or as a typical pump, and I know my best efficiency point. So I can compare my operating efficiency point of my application against the best efficiency point, which is recommended by the pump owner or pump OEM. And based on that, I can detect, or the drive can detect any drifts, and you have a customizable alarm management system within the drive that can detect any drifts and let the user know. Again, that's a business optimization value proposition. The second value proposition is the real-time intelligence. You have a power meter embedded within the drive that continuously monitors the energy consumption of the drive. So if you can't measure it, you cannot manage it, as what we say in industry. So by this continuous monitoring, you can create your own dashboards of energy consumption of an equipment on a weekly, monthly, or on a yearly basis. Again, based on this, if there's any drifts or detects, any drifts being detected, the drive can raise an alarm and tell the user about it. So that's all embedded within the drive. The third value proposition is, it's the reduced maintenance. Again, within the drive, we have embedded a QR code technology, which is quick response code technology. And again, you don't have to carry lots of manuals now, technical manuals, to figure out what the fault is. You can use a smartphone now, and you can scan your fault in the drive with a smartphone, and it can basically tell you what the fault is. You can use your notes. It can show you what could be the reason for the fault and what you need to do to remove the fault, and thus it helps you to reduce your troubleshooting time. And finally, what we call the drive, the fourth value proposition, is green premium label drive. What that means is the drive, Altivar Process drive, has been designed in such a way more than 70% of the components can be recycled at the end of its life cycle. So a green premium label is a Schneider electric branded label which meets the ROSH and the REACH standards.
Nipun, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.